The president of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger Maradi, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has awarded scholarships to 50 graduating students of law to pursue master's degree in the university. He announced the award of the scholarship on Sunday, the 20th of August 2023, at a graduation dinner organized by law students of 2020/2023 academic session. According to him, the students were offered the scholarship to serve as a motivation for their exceptional performance and commitment to sustaining the university's tradition of excellence. He urged the beneficiaries to make the best use of the opportunity so as to become professional international lawyers, to continue to make MAAUN a destination of choice as well as a beacon of knowledge and transformation. While describing law as an increasingly demanding profession, Professor Gwarzo noted that the profession, when practiced judiciously, helped to bring about justice, protect human rights, regulate interaction, and maintain social stability. Professor Gwarzo, who expressed commitment to empowering students to actualize their dreams, described education as a key to unlocking human potential and as a strong force against insecurity. Highlights of the events include award presentation to staff and students, live musical performance, group pictures, and a host of others. Those in attendance during the dinner were the President of MAAUN, Kano, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Examination Controller MAAUN Niger, Murtala Musa, Dr. Ali Kakaki, Dr. Samira Hassan, among others.